Hello and thank you for watching the video. So I got this tire black. We're going to be trying this out today. This is for putting a polish or a shine on your tires. I got this off of Amazon. Took about 3 days to get it, so really happy with the shipping time. The product is a little smaller than I thought. Looks like about like 2 dip cans, if you know what those are, on top of each other. It's pretty, like I said, it's pretty small. Hopefully this stuff will go a long ways. So I'd like to get all 4 of the tires. Right around $6-7 what it cost. It came with this sponge here, and that's it. The instructions are so small, there's no way I'm going to be able to read those. So we're going to go online real quick and take a closer look on how to use this and any more information that we need. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Well, here is our product, Tire Black. This is described as what you see here. Okay, so it has 2-star review, and with only 1 rating. I did read that review, and it's very vague. Just something like doesn't work, don't buy, or something like that. $6.36, and I don't think it's really fair to judge it on just 1 review. And here are the instructions: rinse tires with clean water, dry the tires with a dry towel, apply this product with a sponge. Done. The tires are black and shiny. Okay, so to begin with, let's take a look at it for the first time. Ooh, it's like jelly. It's got this yellow jelly on the top here. I don't know if it's supposed to be mixed or not. I didn't see anything on the instructions about mixing it up. Couldn't hurt, I guess. All right. That looks better. Still, look at the top. We get this, I don't know, it's like it's separating. All right, so it's just it's an optical illusion. It's just from the black. Okay, so we can actually use this on the tire. It feels like a almost like a Vaseline kind of, but it's thinner than a Vaseline. I'm gonna wear gloves because I don't really know what this is. All right, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. We'll get started. All right, so I'm gonna just put some on my sponge here. Starting at the rear. Seems to go pretty far, actually, just that small amount, so that's a good thing. Sponge seems to be pretty durable. So far, anyway. Probably use a microfiber cloth for this. All right, so sponge is not the best. Look at that. Probably need to use a micro fiber cloth. We're finished with the first tire. Let's touch it up a little bit. All right, so we're finished. Okay, here's where I stopped. See the contrast. A little bit on the concrete. I don't know if that'll stay on there forever or what. We'll find out, I guess. All right, so not too bad. And here's a look at the front, which we haven't touched yet. So see how dry it looks. So we definitely have a shine, a gloss to it. All right, and that didn't take long, maybe like a minute really. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other tires and see how much we have left. Once you start using the sponge, it'll eventually get saturated with the black shine, and it'll be much easier to apply to the tire. Just finished with the last tire. By the way, these are 14-inch tires. I have about almost half, not quite half of the product left on those 4 tires. I also wanted to say that that's not a distinct smell. I don't think I've ever smelled that before. It's been scented. It does not have a petroleum smell to it at all. A rubber kind of smell. It's almost like a perfume of some type. So yeah, I don't know what that smells like. I'm going to try to find out what is in here. If so, I'll leave it in the video, whatever the base is. But yeah, it's like a like a Vaseline, but it's much it's much thinner than Vaseline. So it's probably not a Vaseline based, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. Anyway, there it is, about 5 or 6 minutes. All right, so probably use a little sunshine. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to pull the car out. I think it's gonna be sunny tomorrow and we'll get a better look. We'll also do a little bit of a water test on it. It could be drying out a little bit. Let's check out the first 2 tires here. Maybe. It's probably to be expected. It's not quite as glossy. It seems to have absorbed into the tire now. So if you want an even glossier look, you could probably put 2 applications on. It does have a healthy new tire look to it. But yeah, the glossiness, if that's a word, has kind of absorbed into it, and it's got a blacker look to it. You know what a tire would look like brand new, which is pretty cool. You can see the contrast there, maybe. See that? So yeah, tires definitely look newer. Stick around tomorrow. It's getting dark here, kind of getting dark, so tomorrow we're going to pull it out in the sun and we will take another look at these tires. 5 to 6 minutes to do this, and I have like a little less than half product. Could probably finish this up since I've already got an application on there. If that application stays on there, I could actually get 2 applications with just this right here. And by the way, it's been about 30 minutes. Have not moved the car. No more of the black shine on the concrete that was there. Here we are now the next day, and we're going to take a look at the tires again. So as you can see, there's no major gloss on them, and I'm gonna have to get some new tires. But let's look over here in the sun. Yeah, that gloss kind of diminished after a while, because I think it either absorbed into the tire or it evaporated. I'm not really sure which, but you can see a little contrast maybe here, right up here. Got a little bit of a sheen. It is, it's a new tire look, really. Pretty happy with that. I'm all right with it. Here's the front. The wheel cover doesn't look very nice on this. That's kind of why I was showing you the other one. But yeah, let's take a look at before. So I could tell a difference. Is it worth the money? Well, $6 is not a whole lot of money, but this is a very small container. And I really just got 4 tires. I may be able to get 8 with this, on the same car, that is. Since I've already conditioned it once with this, I could probably put it on there again, with the little less than half. I'm not going to open it up, but a little less than half remaining in here. So about $3 to do all of this, $3 or $4 to do 4 tires, I guess. The benefit, I think, of this is there's no tire sling with the spray. Let me grab a spray. So yeah, by using something like this, you're going to get a very high gloss shine, and it will last for a while. This stuff works pretty well. But the tire black, it's something you can put on by hand. A lot of people like doing that. A lot of people like touching and using their hand to apply the application, or the product. So anyway, like I was gonna splash some water on it and see if it stayed on, how long it did, but I don't think I'm going to bother with that. So I'm really not hugely impressed with it, but I do want to say this, that if you continue to buy this, it may be easier and it may get better over time, if you continue to use this product on your tires. That was the first time, and a lot of it, I'm sure was absorbed into the tire, the dry tire that has not really been treated with anything for quite a while. So anyway, I guess that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.